How to redeem a Perplexity code. 2026 full guide. Got a Perplexity promo code and not sure where to enter it. Whether it's from a partner deal, a carrier offer, or a referral, redeeming it takes less than a minute once you know exactly where to go. Let me walk you through it right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm giving you the complete 2026 guide to redeeming a Perplexity code, covering standard promo codes, activation links, and the biggest free deals available right now. Let's get straight into it. Step 1, head to Perplexity AI and sign in. If you're new, create a free account using your email first. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before applying any code. Most codes are single use per account, so if you've already redeemed one, applying another may not work. Step 2, select your plan. Choose the plan you want: Pro, Max, or Enterprise, and you'll be directed to the checkout page. Enter your billing information and select your billing cycle, either monthly or yearly. Step 3, enter your code at checkout. In the Enter Discount Code section, add your Perplexity coupon code carefully, ensure there are no typos or extra spaces, and hit Apply. The discount will be reflected in your total immediately. Step 4, redeeming an activation link instead of a code. Some Perplexity subscriptions come with an activation link rather than a typed code. Simply click the link. It takes you directly to the Perplexity Pro redemption page where you enter your email address, and the subscription activates automatically for that account. Step 5, check your carrier or partner deals first. Some of the best Perplexity codes in 2026 come from official partnerships rather than coupon sites. Bell Mobility subscribers receive a personal promo code via text message for a full 12 months of Perplexity Pro for free. Just head to Perplexity AI, sign in, and enter the unique code when prompted. Similar deals exist through Logitech purchases and select telecom partners globally. Step 6, troubleshoot if your code isn't working. Some promo codes only work for specific plans or new users. Codes can expire and old cache data can sometimes interfere. Try clearing your cache or using an incognito window. If none of that works, contact Perplexity support directly at support@Perplexity AI. Here's your pro tip. Most Perplexity discounts don't actually involve typing a code at all. Instead, official partner links automatically apply the discounted price during checkout. So before hunting for coupon codes on third-party sites, always check Perplexity's official partnerships and your carrier app first. That's where the legitimate deals live in 2026. And that's your complete guide to redeeming a Perplexity code in 2026. Entering codes at checkout, using activation links, claiming carrier deals, and fixing codes that aren't working. Quick and simple once you know where to look. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool guides every week. Drop a comment below. Where did you get your Perplexity code from? See you in the next one.